Hi, I'm Julian, and this grandma couldn't be here, so I am filling in for her. Uh, uh, Today we're gonna make slime part 2. We're not using the original slimes. We're making new ones, and uh, like and subscribe. And let's get started. So one of the things we're using glue, and I have pre-prepared. The next thing we're gonna use is activator. So I'm gonna pour some in here. You can, I think that's good. We're gonna stir. We're gonna stir until we think we have a good consistency of slime. You see that? That's what you're looking for. You're looking for like a bit that gets like stuck to like that and stretchy. We're gonna mix up until we have all that. And we have, again, another good look at it. I'll show it to the camera. Okay, we're gonna mix it a bit more. I'm gonna get in there the hands a bit. Okay, so we're gonna stir a bit more. I got my sturdy. Is it still recording? Okay. So now we're gonna stir a bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. Here. Subscribe and like to see more amazing content. This is my second video. The first one was my first ever video. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out now. And by the way, we're gonna use some glitter and stuff. We have like paint, which we're gonna use to color it. And now I'm just gonna take it out. I'm probably gonna move this because it's gonna stick to it. But here's our first slime. We're making 2 today. It's a bit glue. A lot of glue. So just gonna mix it a bit so we get this nice good consistency. And once we do it, we should have a good slime. See, it's starting to conform into slime. Okay, we're almost there. Okay. After this, if you want to add coloring, I'm going to use purple today. Yeah. You can also look at the other video to see more of this process. Just adding colors. For both slimes, they're gonna be purple. We're gonna add some of this to this one, and then the other one we're gonna add some of this. Just a bit of charm. And just make sure to like and subscribe for more content. And with me in it. And Grandma. A bit more slime than it was supposed to. A bit. You see this? It's a bit. Here, I'm gonna show the camera. This is how it should look after. If your slime's a bit too sticky, make sure to add more activator because maybe you didn't add enough of it. And also make sure not to over activate the slime because it does not turn well when you over activated it. Okay, and this is our slime. I'm going to add a bit of some glitter. Need help. Okay. Okay, it's okay. A lot of glitter, and we're just gonna pour this in there. And make sure to do this on a paper towel because it can it can be dirty if you don't use like a thing like I'm using a mat kind of right now. And here's it. Here's our first slime.
Yay! And the other one?
And the other one we're gonna say, I'm gonna just clear my brush kind of thing. We're gonna mix that in with the first slime. Mix that a bit more. And okay. Okay. Okay, and we're mixing. You mix it fast. It's a bit not ready yet. Might need a bit more. Yeah. Put the rest of this in there. A bit. Okay, a bit. Still, we're gonna add a bit more activator, and we're mixing again. Turning out good. We're mixing again.
Mix that.
Mix. Mixing. Yeah. Check on the camera. Okay, and we're taking it out. Make sure to move. Okay, we're just moving. Okay, we're taking that. Okay, now we're just gonna mix this by hand. Once you have like a consistency like this, you can go ahead and mix with your hands. And as you mix, you'll start. Be aware you do get a bit of glue on your hands, but that's okay. Just get that open on a little hand. Okay, and we're mixing a bit more. Okay, and we're just gonna pour a bit more. once we mixed a bit, make sure to take, like, if you're having like a paper towel, make sure to move that out the way to put on your cardboard kind of whatever you use. Okay, here you go. I'm just gonna clear that one. Okay, so now once you get a consistency you think is good for your slime, we're going to pour it in colorant. You can use other stuff to color it. Could use, get like some markers and do that, or you could do paint and some other stuff. You could also add some pigment to it too, some other stuff to it too. And we're gonna add for this one, check the camera, we're gonna add to this one this. Okay, and we're just gonna mix this in. Okay, just oh, I may have added a bit too much color. Yeah, the paint that you use, be aware that paint is a good option, but not the best if you don't want the surface you're doing and on to get a bit messy. Yeah, by paint. Oh, okay. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing content by Grandma and me if I'm in some of the videos. Bye bye. Maybe you'll see me in more videos.